Behold, the pinnacle of automotive luxury has been refined. The 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II is not just a car, it's a rolling palace, a statement of unparalleled wealth and exquisite taste. Buckle up as we delve into its opulent world, exploring its price tag, performance, and the meticulous details that make it the undisputed king of the sedan segment. Step inside the cabin and prepare to be transported to another world. The finest leathers embrace every surface, while lamb's wool floor mats pamper your bare feet. Starlight headliners shimmer above, mimicking the constellations on a clear night. Every detail is handcrafted, from the meticulously matched wood veneers to the delicate stitching on the seats. It's an environment designed to soothe the soul and impress even the most discerning of passengers. Owning a Phantom Series II is like owning a piece of automotive royalty. Its base price starts at a cool $460,000, but that's just the beginning. With Rolls-Royce's bespoke customization options, the sky's the limit. Imagine cashmere headliners, starlight headlamps embedded with hundreds of fiber optic threads, or even a picnic basket woven from bamboo. Your desires are their command. Be prepared to shell out well over $600,000 for a truly personalized masterpiece. Under the hood lies a 6.75-liter V12 engine, a gentle giant purring with 563 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. This isn't about neck-breaking acceleration, it's about effortless waftage. The Phantom floats over imperfections like a cloud, thanks to its air suspension and the magic carpet ride technology. Every bump, every pothole is simply erased, leaving you enveloped in a cocoon of tranquility. The Series II introduces subtle yet impactful changes to the Phantom's already iconic design. The Pantheon grille is slightly wider, giving the car a more assertive stance. The headlights are sleeker, with integrated daytime running lights, adding a touch of modernity. These nips and tucks keep the Phantom fresh while preserving its timeless elegance. The 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a rolling testament to human craftsmanship, a rolling work of art. Yes, the price tag is astronomical, but for those who can afford it, the Phantom Series II offers a level of luxury, exclusivity, and serenity that is simply unmatched. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And in the world of ultimate luxury, statements don't come much grander than this. So, is the 2023 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II worth it? If you have to ask, you probably can't afford it. But for those who crave the finer things in life, and who have the means to indulge, the Phantom Series II is an unrivaled masterpiece that will never go out of style.